Transforming your look can boost confidence and refresh your style. Here's a step-by-step guide. Assess your current style. 1. Take inventory of your wardrobe. 2. Identify what works and what doesn't. 3. Consider your lifestyle, body type, and personal style. 2. Define your new look. 1. Gather inspiration. Pinterest, magazines, blogs. 2. Determine your style icons or influencers. 3. Choose a style direction, e.g., minimalist, eclectic, classic. 3. Hair transformation. 1. Consult